and today we're doing Google Feud. I've seen a lot of YouTube do it, and I thought it was really fun, so let's get in. Oh yeah, so I know I'm talking a little bit weird. It's because I put my
retainer in.
Yeah. So,
and I'm her stepsister.
So you see that in there?
Ugh.
So let's get into the video. Let's do people first.
People. Wow.
My friend are
all girls, boys.
Hipster.
Ow. You, what? S. Girls.
My friends are
in heaven. In heaven. In high school.
Dad.
S. Dad.
It's Dad. Bad. It.
Wait, no. P-O-P-L-E. E.
E.
No, hold on.
L-E?
Wait. Wait, hold on. Fake, dead and buried, losers around me, wasted and I hate this club, married, heathens, wasted, getting married, dead.
Great.
I hate my family, friends, dog, brother, sister, siblings. Wait, no.
It has to be one of them.
Friend? No.
I hate
my teachers. My school? I don't know.
I hate my
school? I don't know. Not that I hate my school. I love my school.
I hate my school.
No, just.
I hate my principal.
L.
Is that how you spell principal?
Lose the I right here.
Now?
I'm sure. I don't really know. I don't really know how to spell principal.
Wife.
Job. Husband, mom, boss.
Family. Wife, parents, body, dad. I was gonna say something about my body. I'm so dead. Okay. So, I think my mom is
rude. Nice.
I think my mom is
men. What? A-N.
I think my mom is. Can you spell over dramatic?
Okay. I'm sure that's how you spell dramatic.
Okay.
Pregnant.
Cheating on my
dad. Dying. A superhero. Doing drugs. Going crazy. Amazing. Amazing.
I was gonna write that one,
Question.
but I thought everybody's gonna put straight at their mom.
Question.
Or gonna put people.
Okay. A child.
How to
raise a child, a baby, a teenager.
A
Where are you going with T? Okay. Teenager. Kid. Okay. K's right there. I was just pointing to it.
No, we didn't get
We didn't get the feedback.
I know. I really want to see what it is because I think my dad is.
Amazing.
Let's gonna do this one.
Okay.
Because it was happening on the.
Yeah, it happened on the mom one, so. I think my dad is pregnant.
I think my.
I think my dad is pregnant. Oh my gosh.
Cheating on my mom. Yes.
Okay. Going crazy. Is that
Pregnant.
it did that. Pregnant. I think my dad is pregnant. Oh my gosh. A.
Yeah.
But no. G. E-N-T. No, E-N-T. Wait, no. Wait. No E.
Yes, hi, Beth.
There we go. I think my dad is pregnant.
Oh,
man. No, that would have been so funny.
I think my
Going
dad
crazy. Because it happened on the mom one, so going crazy, I guess. Copy off the mom one. Except for pregnant. Wow. What?
Drunk.
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 N. K. No C.
I think my mom is. I think my dad is.
A weirdo. A scientist. Oh, a superhero. Because it happened on my mom.
A.
Tell me if you want me to spell it.
U. Superhero.
No. No.
Spell it.
Nope. Dying.
Oh, what's
Dracula.
Batman.
Batman. Wait, what? I think my mom is Batman. I mean, my dad's Batman.
I'll be.
My dad's Batman. Just saying.
I forgot to write. Oh, I knew the gay one was gonna be right. Never put a.
Fish that's not dead into it and then flush it. That's all the
Never
words.
put a.
You.
Tire.
That's not how you spell tire.
How do you spell tire?
I think. Yeah, that's it. Wait. There we go.
I'm done. Okay. I think I had never put.
Oh, never put a dog in your car for a really long time because of the heat.
Never put a
dog in a car for a really long time.
Kid on. Never put a kid on a.
Never put a fish out of water.
What?
Never put a fish out of water.
I just want to see what the answers are.
Me too.
Oh yeah, never put a fish out of water.
Or a dog in a hot car. Also
Stop.
done.
We're not doing that. Fish. Where's F? Fish. I spell out.
O-U-T. O's right there.
Water.
Of out water, out water, out of water.
Now I just want to see what the answers are. Walnut.
Baby in the corner, man.
What's the first one?
Blade in the ground. Wig on your dog. Sock in a toaster. Hat on your bed.
What?
Comma before and. Baby in the corner, man in a whatever.
Okay. A car is.
My car is broken. Never. It's broken.
I used to
So
awesome.
awesome. What? Oh. Wait, no. Okay. No.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, I'm going to press cool. My car is smoking. But leaking gas, blowing cold air, toasty, stuck in snow, hard to turn.
Hard to turn, overheating, knocking, leaking oil.
Knocking. Oh God. Okay.
Knocking on your front door.
I think we have to leave. Like, subscribe, comment.
Bye. Bye.